Hey guys, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see me, but it is 6 a.m. and I'm headed to my go-to Walmart. I want some Valentine's Day looks, and I just want to shop around the store and show you guys some style that you can style from Walmart. Walmart has some really good stuff, and plus the Walmart I go to is like super exciting. So let me get off this. I'm going to the Starbucks, getting me a latte, and we're gonna be on our way. It's an hour out, so we got a minute.
Made it here 7:05, so let's go in and see what's poppin'. I love this Reebok situation that goes on as soon as I come into the store. Like the colors, I guess these are spring colors. Then they have a wall full of sweats. But then I come over here and they have the cutest workout tights. And I'm going to have to get me a couple because they're super cute. And you know, I'm a workout girl, so next is the clearance. Now you know, Karen has to check out the clearance because it would not be me if I did not. So let's see what's popping. Now look at this. This is super cute. I'm gonna have to grab this for $13. I'm gonna have to. As I said, I am looking for Valentine's Day outfit ideas to show you guys. So let's look.
So I'm here and I'm frustrated because the dressing rooms are closed, and oh, let me take this off. And there is nothing, there's nobody here. So let me show you what I found. I found this cute little coat, double-breasted tailored coat from Scoop. It's an extra small, but I'm gonna try it on anyway. And it's on sale for $43. Sorry if my mic scuffles. And okay, I forgot my glasses. I'm so upset. All right, it's an extra small, but it fits really good. But I already thrifted a navy blue double-breasted coat already from the thrift store for like way less. But this is super cute. I thought this was super cute. You could just wear it with some pants or some dress pants. I don't know, I just love the stripes and I love the two-tone and the pop of white. And she is by free assembly and it's $22. I look a hot mess. Those wear some tights when you come. But my hair is hella ugly. So I have these two. This one is by Scoop. I saw one of the girlies and I was like, oh, I gotta get them. They're only $28. Oh my God, cheaper than the ones I bought from Zara. And then I thought this would be cute to go with it. This is by Steve Madden, the crop top jean. And she's only $19.50. Right? Put this here. Because I'm gonna have to put all this back. This also super cute. It's by free assembly as well. It's $34. I got this in a medium. Okay. And everything that I'm showing you, I will drop the links down below. Now this suit is cute. Look, it's all by Scoop. I got the pants in an 8. I'm gonna have to take her home. This is cute for Valentine's Day, right? You do like a pop of red. Cute. Oh, my bad. The blazer is $38 and then the pants are $28. And this right here, look, she's cute. She's coming home with me. It's by Sophia Lagora. This is a large. Look, this is so cute. Who needs we got? Why I said we got Walmart. It's cute. People look at me like I'm crazy. So I'm taking this one with me.
So I thought these cargos were super cute. And I'm like, okay, this goes together. I didn't even notice it at first, so I had to show you guys like what it looked like. Because that pop of green with these pants, okay. Y'all, this is Walmart. Look at this. They have this set up and then they put all the accessories that you can put with the room. Like, oh my God, that's amazing. Now, their home selection, y'all, it's amazing here. Like this lamp, I love this lamp. I love all the accessories. Like, I'm geeking. I don't know what to say. Like, I'm totally speechless. Like, I'm trying to decorate the new home. It's still not all together yet. But these pieces that Walmart is giving, like, Walmart is giving, okay? Okay, look at this. Okay, there's that lamp. Remember the little gold lamp over there? Super cute. They put it in a little bedroom and it shows you all the accessories that you can go with it. Like, I'm loving this. Okay, Walmart. Oh, look at all these mirrors. Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't quit it. Give them to me. Look at my socks. Oh, I gotta go. See y'all. Here is another room. This is like a dining room. Look, gorgeous, y'all. This is Walmart. They had really cute dishware. Like, oh my God, you know, my accent color is navy blue or royal blue, and I do need new plates. So yes. This is like giving me so much life, y'all. I'll be like, I had to look around like, sis, are you at Walmart or no? So this is like a little dollar shop, like, you know, that Target has. It was alright. They had like a cute little things. If you wanted to make some little Valentine's Day baskets, stuff for the kiddos. Spring is coming, so I guess that's a little garden stuff we just saw. But child, this stuff is super cute. And it was like 3, 5, 2, some things were $1, just like the dollar spot at Target. But you know, well, I got their own thing going on, so let me get home. That's enough of me looking. So I'm about to go home and show you what I got, and let's style these items.